Greetings. This is a class. We are going to see the 80-based video on lathe. In the class also I informed you about lathe itself. Now practically is lathe. And also informed you on the parts of lathe. And the name Anushka only explaining what are the parts of the lathe. Come on.
Hello, my name is Anushka. Today I am going to explain about the parts of the lathe. So first of all, we came to know that lathe is a basic part of all machines. So it is a basic one. So it has several components and parts. So this is a well-driven pulley. This is a headstock and this is a tailstock, which is placed in same edges. And this is the tree junction.
Same edges. The center of the headstock and center of the tailstock will be on the same edges. So known as center lathe. And this is a belted picture here.
This is a headstock and it has a tree
The
junction.
spindle and spindle. What is the name of this one?
Headstock, tree
So
junction.
this is tree junction. These are machine of special.
And
And
this is
job.
a workpiece, and this is a tool post. It is a compound rest, and this is a garage which holds tool post and a compound rest. So it has two lead aprons. So that's it.
This is also bed. On the bed only is a garage as well as the laser of the sliding. The bed is made of artistry and is having DU and flat also. Such that the garage also itself will not have any shape. And it's a fully operation system. All the different options from here.
So myself, Nina, I'm going to explain the lathe operations. Lathe provides multiple operations that might be turning, knurling, paper turning, threading, cutting, etc. Phasing means to remove the outer surface of the workpiece is called as turning.
To remove this space to be removed is the basic.
Phasing.
So this is job face here, and then to remove the part here,
This is called turning,
And
and
this is
the
turning.
outer surface is
this is the, and if you remove the parts over part is also turning. So this one is step here, this is
Step
step
turning.
is there.
to
And
provide purpose knurling.
further can be able to do the threading and knurling one can be able to run it in the lathe itself. And any other small operation can be done here. Any others?
Drilling operation can be especially in the lathe operations. Drilling, mining, or in the
Milling.
drilling, milling in the lathe mill operations.
Your name? In Isa is going to drilling, special operation can use drilling, milling and grinding can be done. So for drilling means the part of the workpiece located here, whereas the drill bit may be located on the part is on the tailstock one. You can able to remove the center stock. Instead of this one, you can able to locate the drill bit here. So that drill bit will be located and will be forwarded by using the spindle here. So that can able to be drill holes here. And also similarly, milling and grinding can be done by locating the grinding tool on the tool post, or else the tool post into the grinding tool will be located on the headstock and the workpiece located on the tailstock itself. And what will be the spec of the machine?
Myself, Malvika, I'm here to talk about the lens specification. Bursting over the bed, lens bed, the workpiece is rotated rotated over the lens bed and the cross bed and swing over the cross bed, and it's rotated over the cross bed, and it has the distance between the headstock and the tailstock is about 52 and 1500 and arcs.
I'm Nandi and I'm here to elaborate on the features of the lathe. There are several features like motor power, feed range, and the speed of the lathe can also be measured. The speed can be adjusted using the belt there.
This belt can be used by loosening one. Can able the belt can be able to be shifted such that can able to have a different speeds can able to run it here.
Depending on the need of the workpiece, you can adjust the speed of the lathe also. And there is a motor range that refers to the range of the motor, and also feed range. Feed range is also measured using the longitudinal and cross feed range.
Okay, with this we come to the end of this so that you have studied about the lathe and its operations and what is split here, and now can able to When you come to see the chucky, which is used to locate the job by tightening it. So this is loosening, and you can able to remove the job itself while placing it. You can able to tighten it. And also after removing the chucky, you can able to run the motor. So in this class, by practically you have to study about the lathe on the DT based units. Thank you.
Thank you.